Hello and welcome. Now let us talk about managing benefits that employees receive as a result of their employment in the workplace. So benefits can be a reward. So benefits are employee rewards, which are actually a type of indirect pay, which can include health, life, disability insurance, and even retirement programs and work-life balance programs that are in high demand nowadays in today's competitive work environment. Most common programs could include medical and retirement benefits. Of course, benefits are very important to employees, to attracting and retaining people. As a matter of fact, the average benefit cost for employers are about 32% of the total compensation costs. So benefits are very costly to employers, therefore they must be used strategically and properly. And you should communicate those benefits to employees who work for you right now and those who are prospective employees. Benefits can have a positive impact in terms of attracting, retaining, and motivating workers. Also, it supports the organization's strategy. It should play a role in achieving a competitive advantage for your company and to keep workforce focused on the company's goals, both short-term and long-term. There are certain legally required benefits such as Social Security, which consists of those who are of older age, the survivors and disability and health insurance programs. Social Security is usually funded through the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, withholding by both employer and employees. You remember the terminology FICA, which is mentioned on those paychecks, especially if you had those paper paychecks in the older days, where you probably ask yourself the first time, who's FICA and why are they holding my money? Why are they taking my money, right? That is being invested for Social Security. So upon retirement, you get some of that money back. So Social Security could include retirement income, survivor benefits, disability income, and Medicare. Other legally required benefits are workers' compensation, unemployment insurance, the family and medical leave or FMLA, which is time off work to attend a family or medical issue. The FMLA Act provides job security up to 12 weeks during this unpaid leave of absence and up to 26 weeks to care for an injured or ill service member. There are also voluntary benefits such as healthcare programs like dental and vision plans. There's also the life insurance programs and wellness programs, which are sometimes used by some employees, but not necessarily all employees. The work-life programs can consist of paid time off, sick time, holiday pay, vacation pay, personal leave, compensatory time off, child and elder care, flex time, and telecommuting benefits, college saving plans, educational assistance programs, legal services, and identity theft benefits. All of these are voluntary benefits which employees can receive. So if you offer these, communicate these benefits to your employees so they can take advantage of it. Remember, different employees need different benefits. So while some of them can benefit from this, others may not necessarily use it, but nonetheless, it's good that they know that these benefits are available to them. In summary, build a reputation for being an objective, analytic, and a rational professional. Analyze the numbers, analyze the data, and analyze all of the facts surrounding a situation so you can make evidence-based decision regarding rewards, benefits, and performance management of all of your employees. Good luck.